Cleaning up a cluttered Google Chrome homepage takes less than 60 seconds if you know exactly where to click. Look at the very bottom right corner of your new tab page and click on the small pencil icon labeled Customize Chrome. Clicking this opens up a side panel on the right side of your screen with all your layout settings. Scroll past the Appearance section and the toolbar options until you reach the section explicitly labeled Shortcuts. Right under that label, you will see a toggle switch next to the words Show Shortcuts. If you want a completely blank look, click that toggle switch to turn it off. The important thing is that this acts as an all-or-nothing switch. Now, that goes both ways. If you choose to leave the toggle turned on, you have to pick between two specific behaviors right below it. You can select the radio button for My Shortcuts, which means the icons are manually curated by you. Or you can select Most Visited Sites, which lets Google automatically suggest icons based on the websites you visit most often. In my case, I prefer turning the main toggle completely off to get rid of the visual noise entirely. Directly below the Shortcuts section, you will find another area labeled Cards. This section controls the modules that show up lower on the page, like recipe suggestions or shopping carts. Locate the toggle switch next to Show Cards and click it to change the status to Off. When you disable this feature, Chrome stops trying to predict what you want to jump back into. The trade-off here is that you lose the quick access convenience of the Continue with these tabs feature, meaning you will have to manually open your history menu whenever you want to find an old session. Once you have toggled these switches to the off position, you do not need to look for a save button because Chrome updates your preferences instantly. Move your mouse up to the top right corner of the side panel and click the small X mark to close the Customize Chrome menu. Your new tab page is now completely stripped down to just the search bar and a clean background. I hope you found this helpful, and I will see you in the next one.